Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. And today I'm going to be working with my Derwent Inktense blocks. And what I like about these is that it's water soluble. And so I'm going to start by just spraying some water on my plate. And I'm using my 9x12 gel plate. And I'm just going to create some vines here. Some flowers and see what we could come up with. It's the water that's making it a really nice breakdown of these blocks. You can always re-wet them if need be. And you don't have to know how to do flowers, anything like that. This is just a more figurative approach. Just a little more water. Play around with it. Let's see if we can give it a nice flower box. And so here we have some flowers. They could be tulips or, you know, whatever flowers you want them to be. And so this is more figurative, and we're going to pull this print with some matte medium and see what we come up with. First, I'm going to let this dry for a little bit. It's still wet to the touch. Then we'll pull the print and look at what we came up with. It's dry, and we're going to pull this print. I'm using some matte medium. I didn't mean to put that amount on there, so we'll kind of take some off. Okay. Okay. So because I want a non-colored background, I'm using the matte medium, and I let this thoroughly dry because it's water soluble. It'll be reactivated with wetness, so I wanted it to thoroughly dry as much as possible. Okay, and I'm using some print making paper. Hopefully we'll get a nice pull from this. But I do like the Derwent Inktense. You can use it on fabric, which I have done in the past, dye fabric. You can use it as I used it directly on the gel plate with a little water, or you could just take a paintbrush and take colors, little wet paintbrush, and dab it onto the blocks and use it that way. You could even take shavings of it and put it on a plate or something like that and add a little water, and it works just like watercolor paint. So it's pretty versatile. You'd have to play with it and see all of what it will do for you. So let's see here what we have. As I said before, you don't have to know how to paint. And there we have it. Nice, brilliant color. Bright, sharp colors. Which works very nicely came out, and with the using just the matte medium also works well. I am looking for my, yeah, here it is, my matte. Okay. And so, this looks nice framed, like so. And what I do sometimes, you can, I take a photo of the work where I can reduce it to size and make it smaller for 5x7, frame it as a 5x7, or make it whatever size greeting card I would like to use on the face of a card. So this is pretty good. Try your hands at the Derwent Inktense blocks. They come as pencils as well. You can get the pencils. I've seen the pencils sold as 6, and I have the small set of the Derwent, but it comes in a variety of colors, and you could try your hand at it. I may purchase some more colors now. So here's an idea, the gel plate, something easy. You don't have to know how to draw. You could just, you know, in your head, what your, how you see flowers or anything else. It doesn't have to be floral, and put it down. And it actually, you know, with the gel plate, it looks like an actual painting. And all you did was use a little water. The colors are vibrant and strong. And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by today, joining me for another Creative Moment segment. Keep doing art. Till next time.